Watch, watch, watch. For the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, no, man? A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You don't know when I come for represent, you don't know a full effective. You don't know it go already, you know. When me aim up, you know, load up, you know, and crank up, you know, and drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. What? You know a loud explosion, boy, alright? You know the most electrify, man. In the kitchen I get things really electrify right now. So you see this way I go on with? Right now, a lot of people can attempt it, but it's not everybody can do it. A real thing. Watch how I go on. Some oxtail. I go browning up, you know what I mean, before I shut it off. You know, my pot, you don't know where you can cook anything. This is what I deal with. Scraps is we can turn in our meal, something whenever even dip on the menu, you know what I mean? That's how skillful it is. You see me? But here I say, no, man. Right about now, we come to big up Buju Barton, because right now Buju Barton I take this reggae thing to a different level, you know. So right now, you know, and every artist supposed to have a run down dancehall right now, you know, supposed to see the capacity and they show them the Buju Barton and shell out, you know, so right now it's supposed to have a whole heap of opportunity to open up for good reggae artists and I sing good song, you know what I mean? But here what does like the little girl when named Coffee, because you don't see how fast she rise on the scene, you know what I mean, and how big to the type of exposure where she get. But here what I say, right about now, you know, for some local artists, you know, we love run up and down and I go like say, them want to look on the business certain way and treat the business certain way. I want to know for see what I go on, you know. Remember, you know, and then I look at Club Buju Barton I go, you know, dog, a big stadium, you know, everywhere I go a stadium, the man a shell out, you know. So I want you know to see that, so well then it come like the club thing, you know. When artists I go all in the club, go perform all over the world, and then I come back and I hype and I tough up themselves. I want to know amateur business that, you know. Because the legend has set the thing right now. A stadium artist supposed to have sold out. So right about now, I give thanks to Buju Barton for highlight that. You see what I deal with? And the sister Rihanna fly over, they go pay her respect to the general. You see me? And here we go on now. Mr. Mama dying for vybz kartel come on road. Real talk. Because dancehall need. 2-1. Dancehall need for underneath a magnet tune like that. Where you see Buju Barton have it underneath, you know what I mean? And right now, I'm going to vybz kartel at all the man right now. You sit in a dancehall with a fucking capability there. You see what I deal with? This man coming like, say, me don't even know. The man coming like is a machine, him having a brain will make music. We just press out music, so. Because I tell you, I don't even know. The man just release song after song after song. I'm not tell you about no idiot song, you know. The man just release song after song. So all them local artists they were boring up dancehall and I talk about them a do value songs, so them a weigh the song them before them drop them and all kind of stupidness and I go a joke on a joke. This man does a press out song like it's a music press machine. Just a put out song like and song can't stop God. The amount of song where the man put out for just this month alone, I not even know some artists not even put out so much song for a year, my virgin. You know what I mean? So when the man them are boring up dancehall and a hype on dancehall and I go like say them think them can hype on the people them with no lollipop thing. I tell you a joke thing when they go and I'm dying for vybz kartel come. Because right now, myself, for vybz kartel are all the man. Right now we sit in a dancehall. We have the demands there. You see what I mean? We could have come and start sell out stadium in other high demands. You know what I mean? All over. You see what I deal with? Because what? The man them now get the culture back together. You see me? And right now, my sister Vybz Kartel are trying best to do that car. Right now, when I listen to the man, a be hardcore rhythm. You see what I did? If you listen to the last track there for TJ record, eh? Boom. Yo, when I listen to the track virgin at 90s, me all like imagine a Lexus a flow up on the rhythm. That's how much the rhythm bring me back. You see what I did? A wicked thing, man. Wicked thing. You know what I mean? But me just don't go on for sure now. When time you have a good body at work, we go on. I know Buju Barton not drop no new tune, you know. People on glass say this and say that, you know. I know no new tune no drop with highlight with no promotion no at all, you know. Look how the man a shell place, you know, my virgin. You can just imagine if Vybz Kartel come a road with all of them hits the way him have from way back where all know the world ever watch him perform none of them shit. Him not get for perform none of them shit there in front of the world, you know. All know you not see him perform most of them hits the way him have. You can imagine when the general forward, eh? Yo, want a lollipop thing, you know, me a second man. Yeah, man, you know the general in the kitchen, you know, and a lollipop thing, you know, man. You know, today is Sunday, so you don't know. I just watch my big side Chelsea draw with the idiot man, you like them, nah, no sense. But anyway, we're still the fourth in the league, so you know what I mean? All my new fans are gonna cost them better fight for Champion League position. You see what I'm dealing? More and would love to all of my football fans them where you know a Chelsea wanna bring would love fire the coach, you know what I mean? I really thought. But me I say, back to the dancehall story. I say, I love where Buju Barton a go on with. I set the pace all over. Normally, you'd have to watch reggae artists in Africa or Europe to get them turn out there. You know what I mean? In a show up when it come on to capacity of people. You understand me? And Buju Barton has set the trend in the Caribbean and a show, you say. Stadium can sold out all over. And just the good body of work and how you apply yourself. You see Buju Barton, I don't even know if them thing that happen to a reason for the man. But it come like the man come from out of prison with this demands where it come like iron where him he didn't even have before. You see what I deal with? It becomes a classical demand. You know see it? The man catalog them becomes a classical thing to people. You understand me? It come like him not even have to sing a next song again. Yeah, that's why I love what Vybz Kartel I do. You just have feed the fans them with music. You can imagine when them come on road, eh? And the same demands are gonna go on, but anyway, you don't know the general and the 10-star one, I don't know when I represent. I don't know a full effect thing. And watch me now. I have a few things for address. The local people them in a Trinidad were texting me. And I tell me, say, well then, I'm not in a Trinidad, so I not see what I go and I know what I go. Let me tell you something. I'm done with that long time, you know. I not really look back, you know, my virgin. I probably glance if you come up on me, I not really look back. You hear that? I'm done with that long time. Right now, a Barbados, Buju Barton there. And done with that too. And I head on to somewhere else. I don't want you come out. I don't want to ask me shit. I tell me nothing. I don't say what I say already. I don't take back what I say because I don't really tell lie. Say if you don't want lie to fool yourself or fool no business that. You know what I mean? I don't talk shit what I don't know. So I'm done with that. You see me? And for the local people, them when I talk about rhino thing and I talk about, let me tell you something, and I know body me I bring down. But if you put out a news on somebody and then you find out, and then the world find out, say, whatever you say are false, or you look upon it. Because right now, a whole heap of shit I could have said, I never say nothing because you know why? Me no know if it's a scheme, me no know if it's a planting or whatever. All me know the man good, and me not have to talk, oh, me know that. You see what me I deal with? So, to my knowledge, I'm have to be a planting when I come up with or whatever. Because if me know him good and then people are say him dead or whatever. So when I come and I do my shit, I'm telling you, I not really come up for have things personal about nobody for say or whatever, you know. But if me know the real fuck I go talk, you know, is where me I deal. And I'm going to talk it off of the behalf of how me know it. So it probably not really feel justified to you or to no other one. It's the way I deal it, but that is just my explanation. It's the way I deal it, and another true. Me explain all of that. You think, well, then means a man may have a hate for you, or a pick for you, or a grudge for you. And I'm not like that. It's the way I deal it. I just make you know what I know, so well then, right now, alright. And I don't have no lollipop thing, you see what I deal with? So, and for no for uno, we're there, and I'm going to chat up on them more. Let me show you a thing and too, because enough man I'm going to chat, you know. This is how it's supposed to look after you're done seasoning it up. You see what I deal with? Yo, I want to take a good look in at. I said this is how the oxtail is supposed to look after I done season it up. You hear me I say? So I don't want to just there on YouTube and feel like say you can just chat and not learn nothing from the general. You know what I say? Yeah, if I even that, you can learn. You see what I mean? Yeah, and you can prepare something nice. You know what I mean? For you and your wife, you know what I mean? For you and your child or your wife, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And all side chick too. You know what I mean? Because them know somebody. They say side chick not to use oxtail for Sunday. They are second it. All the side chick too. I want to tell you. Keep a lollipop thing. Even on the general, I'm not dash your dish. You see what I'm saying? Because this has any time it boil on the general, you know dash your that. You see what I'm saying? Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Today on Sunday, we don't really cook one meat for Sunday, you hear that? So I will cook some, I cook some oxtail. I still have a french fry, 2 pieces of chicken breast, because you know what doctor say, breasts are the best, you know, breast good for look a baby, much less big man. Watch. You see what man say? So, I have a french fry, couple of breasts on the side, because that the doctor them say, breasts are the best, you know what I mean? Good for look up baby, much less so, big one. So I don't know, lollipop thing. So, want, go on, free, and see what 10 star more. You know what I mean? I would think of for clean too, you know. You see what I mean? Yeah, that's the main thing why we don't eat from anybody, you see me? Yeah, if we can't see the all them things operate how it go, we not go eat there, you see me? You can't lock up your clothes, they behind a closed door and I try to do certain shit I want to know what you do. You're crazy, you have to see what you do, man. See how you angle yourself, man. You know what I mean? Not to even see how you even hold the knife, man, if you hold it like a handicap, man. You see what I mean? I know what you do, you know, or how you do it. You see what I say? You don't know the general, the 10-star one, you don't know when time I represent. You don't know it got a full effective, right? You don't know it got. And the ear must load up, crank up, and sound the thing them and drop necessary equipment. You don't know a loud explosion, boy, yeah. You see me? More than me. And before I leave a book, I lock my pot so quick when it comes to oxtail, you know, I make it get puffy and salt out and make out its own shape. I'm perfectly first before I even start go out with no shit, you know. Because I have to remember, you know, say me I cook from me around 9, 10 years old, you know. So you have to know say me is a man who cook like a old lady. You see what I say? And another that I cook like a granny. Watch how I go on. So, you know, sister, when time I lock up my pot, you know, sister, when I lock up my pot and put my pot cover upon it and it starts spring its own water, you know, sister, a murder. Eh? And the general, the 10-star one, are representing a live and living colours. Enjoy on the Sunday, my subscriber. What? 10-star way. What?